All right, what I'm trying to do is some extra testing on the 68 motor for DZ Rick, and the I guess we're just going to show what the motor does in different situations, and maybe one of them be his problem. So what we're going to do is hook the positive up, and let's see, yellow. Tell you what, let's do it this way so I don't have to worry about arcing the thing. Let's go with that. To positive, and this is the yellow to positive. I don't think that that's going to matter. And so now we hit it, and we got just a little tiny arc on the motor. Not even really an arc, just kind of a flash. And let's see, that's pretty much it. This goes to ground. If you hook this to ground, so this is what you get when you have the motor ungrounded and you ground it just to the white wire. And this is what you get when you have it grounded to the case. The case is grounded, and there's green on the upper terminal. This is with both of them on there. If you remove this, it should park. So as soon as you touch them both, it takes off. Trying to think of another scenario here. Get another lead. Okay, now we're going to ground. This is our main ground for the meter. Back to the motor. With just the upper one high, with both of them low. Upper one removed, parked. Both of them off, and there you go. There's a good one. Both of them off, no ground. There's a difference in the speeds when you do it that way. Have to figure that out too. But we park it again. Park it again. All right. Daggone it. Now what we're going to check is for voltage on the white wire. And so let's see, that's my white wire ground. So what we're going to do is we're going to have it running. We're going to disconnect. This would be like turning the override knob. So you got it running, and now we just turned the override knob. So we want to, right here is taking the green off. That's your override knob we just hit, and then we want to see if we've got any voltage, and we do have voltage on the white wire. So there's your light, and there's what showing the voltage on there. 11.31 on the number 4 wire. So when you turn the switch, the motor's actually seeking ground, backfeeding voltage through the number 4 wire, and makes your light come on. So that mystery is solved. So we go back to that. There was one other scenario that I was looking for. I don't remember which one it was. So there's low speed, park, high speed, park. Okay, so now we got, let's see, park. Alright, so now what happens if we've got the power off the yellow wire? We get nothing anywhere. Okay, which is true. So we're back to the power off, park. Alright, what happens? We're back to being grounded. Okay. Gosh, let's see. What happens if you have it off the red wire, which is going to be a big Zippo? Click. All you get's a click. So if you've got power missing off of this wire here, number 6, all you get's the clicking noise. Back to power on 6. Should go in slow. Park. Now what happens if we've got it on 6? Yeah, with no power on 6 in a park position, when you try to make the motor run, it all it does is click. So we go back to 6, power up. There we go. And you get a park. Okay. There's one case where you get run on, and that is with the ground off the case, I think. And you get, yeah. It doesn't matter. If you've got the ground off the case, it's just going to run like a rocket. Doesn't matter. Actually, when you take the upper one off, it's like we showed in the beginning. If you just go with the upper one, it's real fast. So, crazy. Alright. And